All right, here we go. No, not yet. Just got here. Oh, big one. Lost a huge one. It's about 10 pounds. Yeah.
Maybe. What the fuck?
What?
What is that I hooked onto? Is that fish skin?
I have no idea. Let me see. Is it a scale?
Oh.
Yeah, it's a fish scale, buddy. Really was.
They somehow wrapped my claw around the hook.
Well, did it feel big?
Yeah. That's why I thought it was a rock.
Jesus. Oh, you son of a... Actually, do I have them? I have them.
You have? Yo. You're not recording?
Am I not? Yeah, I am.
That thing looks nice.
Just a hard fighter. Come on, buddy.
That's a nice one.
Come on, buddy.
Yo, that's actually a decent one. How much does that thing weigh?
Not even a pound, I'd say.
So they're out here.
Absolutely.
Spot hopping.
God, he choked it.
Spot hopping.
Look at that. Nice little smallmouth. First one of the trip there. Hit it like a freaking tank. Nice little smallmouth there. We're gonna let him go. There he goes.
Now come eat this craw. Even though I'm leaving in now.
Now?
It's 2.
All right. Good fishing with you, buddy.
Yep, I caught the biggest fish possible. That's what I'm gonna tell Megan.
Yeah.
I caught a 14.
Tell her you outfished me.
What?
Tell her you outfished me.
Last time we were here, I did.
Yeah, yeah. All right, I got you. We'll throw around this Ned rig, see if we get anything on this. Usually what I get them on up here. Oh, man. Didn't even know. Oh, rock bass. Hell yeah. Can't say I didn't expect this. Felt like a smallmouth though. There we go, nice fish. Tell you what, it's a bad idea coming up 4th of July weekend. I should have expected all the boats though. It's another rock bass. You don't even know these guys are on. They just bite so nonchalantly, you know? And then sure enough, you have them on. And you always catch them when you're going for smallmouth or bass. Nice guy. Didn't want him to spy me there. There we are. Another one. These guys fight so hard. Nice little rock bass there. Thanks for playing. These things feel so much like a smallmouth when you first hook into them, but then they just come up real easy. So you never know. Thanks for playing, buddy. No smallmouth yet, really. I mean, I got that one. It was on a Senko. Didn't really expect that, honestly. You know, you think a Senko, you think a largemouth, but obviously a smallmouth could eat it. Just never expected it, you know? That's why fishing always surprises me. Another rock bass. Oh, it's a little smallmouth. Look at that. Finally. Beautiful. That is a dink. That is a freaking dink. It's still a hard fighting fish. I'll tell you what. Thanks, buddy. That's like our 7th fish so far at this spot. Finally found him. That first bridge did not pan out. Usually I have a lot of luck there, but we didn't even get a rock bass out of there. It's kind of surprising. But now we found a new spot that actually produces fish as well. So good to know about this. So after the 2.5 hour plus drive to get up here and just me catching this amount of fish, and granted not even large fish whatsoever, I would call this a learning experience for the most part. It was like a last minute trip we came up on. We were on 4th of July weekend. The big thing was we could just not find any bank access whatsoever. It was really, really urbanized around here. I mean, houses everywhere. And I mean, I should have known that. But we just couldn't even find like a little stretch of land that was like maybe a mile long at most, just a bank to fish. We really couldn't find that. I mean, this place really doesn't cater for the shore fishermen. So as part of the learning experience, I would say always bring a boat or a kayak when I come up here. Gonna do that next time. And I am coming up in October, but we're staying at the Lakehouse, so it's gonna be a lot easier. I already have a kayak up there. I already have a place to stay. So just gonna have to look forward to that. But anyway, it was worth it coming up. It was worth it for that learning experience. And not every fishing trip pans out. That's just the reality of it. But it's important to try. And I got to fight a smallmouth after a while, and it was a really good feeling. So definitely will be coming back up here eventually, but just on a more planned occasion. So hope you all enjoy.